안녕하세요.
Ohio gozaimasu, primary school. It's Monday, June 11th, and it's day F. I'm Reina
And I'm MinJo, and here are your morning announcements. This is a reminder that Thursday is the last day of school. Students will be dismissed at 11:40 a.m. Please remind your parents.
Art class will be canceled all week as they will be packing up their rooms.
Today, the EE4 Triathlon will be taking place. There will be no PE classes during periods 1, 2, 3 for other grades.
With the primary choir, please read in the NPR during period 5 for rehearsals for the Studio 5 graduation.
Congratulations to the Studio 5 Rhino Racing team who finished 4th in the race portion of the competition. The grade A ISHCMC team finished 1st.
Talent show rehearsals will be happening today. They will take place in the NPR. All performers during period 1 and 2. Wednesday, dress rehearsal. All performers during period 6 and 7.
Take the pledge of no more single use. You can start by refusing plastic straws and using bamboo ones, bringing your own reusable water bottles, and using cloth bags.
Makerspace is closed for the rest of the year.
Joke of the day. What do you get when you play basketball in Hawaii?
What?
Hula hoops.
Random fact of the day. Lily pads can grow to be wider than a king-size bed.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, no matter what the level of ability, you have more potential than you can ever develop in a lifetime. James T. McKay.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a magnificent Monday.